Welcome to the Bag Holders channel with Bagger. I will read for everyone who is bag holding. You sell and you buy, but now there is hope for the bag holders. Well, I'm grateful for another day. Still breathing on this planet, still serving God, and still trading and investing, which is the great way to build generational wealth, is to invest. So today I want to talk about TRKA again, as we see that the stock is holding beautifully at 240. It's finding great strong support, which in reality is around the 8 to 10 cents range pre-split. But of course, after it had splitted, it went up to like $4 something. Then it came down to 250, 260, and then find strong support there at the 240, 244 range, and it keep bouncing. So when you look at the chart, you realize it's consolidating right there. But I want to give you something very important about TRKA. I want to look at the forecast. And of course, CNN, Wall Street, Market Beat, you have the stock analyst, you have StockVest.us, you have Tip Ranks, and you have Yahoo Finance, and you have Coin Condex, and there's so many different medium in which you get the forecast. But I like to look at three in particular which I trust. I trust Yahoo Finance. So let me look at Yahoo Finance first, right? And it deals with the performance outlook, the EPS and the TTM, and of course it deals with the earning date. I just want to make a correction real quickly also, that they will have their earnings 6:30 on June 30th. That's kind of cute, right? 6:30 and June 30th. So that's pre-market at the end of this month, which is June 30th. All right, they're gonna have their earnings, and we know that we expect them to beat earnings, which they have been doing for the past 3 quarters. So we are not expecting anything differently. And of course, when the stock beat earnings, it runs. So we can look at 100, 200% run, maybe more, because now smart investors and big institutions, they will be piling in as long as they become NASDAQ compliant, which they're in. Today is the 13th day, I believe. So just give and take, say they want them to trade for 20 days above $1, then we would be 7 days away. If it's only 10 days, then we would have already traded for 10 days, and now they would be NASDAQ compliant. Just to give you now the forecast. Now, Yahoo Finance, right? They have them as target of $37.50. That's what Yahoo Finance have them. And this is 1 year target. So come next year, this time, they're expecting TRKA Media Group to be trading at $37.50. On Coin Condex, they have them, according to our current TRKA stock forecast, the value of TRKA Media Group Incorporation shares will rise by 21.91% and reach $3.06 per share by June 26, 2023. Right? Another one, let's look at Fintel. And most people trust Fintel, right? TRKA Media Group Incorporation forecast price target estimates The average 1-year price target for TRKA Media Group is 38.25, which is pretty close to Yahoo Finance, right? You can see the familiarity there, the comparison there. Okay, the forecast range from a low of 37.88 to a high of 39.38, and of course they update this frequently. Now I want to show you the downside now. According to CNN, let's see their forecast. Okay, CNN forecast. Let's see what they're saying concerning TRKA Media Group. Okay, so now they have this one analyst, only one. Okay, one analyst offering 12-month price forecast for TRKA Media Group have a median target of $1.50 with a high estimate of 150 and a low estimate of 150. Right? So in other words, this individual believe that it's going to decrease 39.52% from the last price where it's at right now of $2.48. So they have it at a 150 in all category, which I find that hilarious. So I trust Yahoo Finance. I trust because it's it's just a group of forecasters that come together and they have average. So the average would say is $37.50 by May 18 of 2024. So if you're investing in TRKA Media Group, then if you are bag holding pre-split, and I would encourage you, and this is not financial advice, you have to do your own research and your own due diligence and do what you believe is right. Amen. So I always use the word amen because I'm a preacher, so it comes out naturally. All right. But I'm not preaching to you. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm only giving you information so you can be your own judge. If you are investing in TRKA Media Group, if you are bag holding, and when I say bag holding, it's not a negative term, because in the stock market we do three things: you buy a stock, you hold a stock, and you sell a stock. So the thing is, when you're investing, you hold long. When you're trading, you hold short. When you're scalping, you hold for a little while, just like a few seconds, a few minutes. If you're day trading, then everything is done within a day. If you're swing trading, it could be between a day or 6 months. But if you're investing, then we call it bag holding. And the reason why we call it bag holding sometimes is because the stock may go down certain percent and it takes a while to come back up, and you have to dollar cost average. So it's not some people use it as a negative term, but if you believe in the company, if you believe that the company is going to do well in the future, even if it's tanking now, because there are many things that can happen. So, to a stock that would have it to tank. It could be bad news. It could be bad management. It could be just the sentiment of the market. It could be just that shorts are short in the stock. It could be that dilution is taking place. There's so many things, but in the long run, if you believe in the company, then if you're holding a stock for a period of time and it's going down, then we call it bag holding. But in this case with TRKA Media Group, I believe bag holding is okay in my perspective, because when I look at the revenue, right, from September 2022, they are really making strides. Right now, the net profit margin is 106%, coming from 104.14%. So there's an increase there. We know the dilution of the stock at 0.25, which is up 120%. So that is also having the stock to go down because of dilution. And what dilution is the company taking money from the share price, and so they can continue to run the business. and other companies are doing the same thing. But in this case, TRKA Media Group, as I said in the last video, they're not broke. They're making money. Watch the revenue. The revenue moved from 119.8 million to 1335.02. That's a big jump. So they have money. They are not broke. Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you information on what is going on with TRKA Media Group, which is an advertisement company, and they every now and then they get some big contract and they make a lot of money. The company only take $6 million per year to fund this company, and they are making a lot of money. So they are not broke. And again, the CEO and inside buyers are over 33%. So this company, it's not a, I would say, because it's a penny stock, it's still a high risk based on your perspective. But according to what the company is doing now, it's, to me, it worth invested in. All right, everyone has their own opinion on TRKA Media Group, but to me, I believe in a year or two that if you are trading, you could, make a lot of money. If you're investing and you're buying on a daily basis, in a couple of years you can also make a lot of money. So our intention is to build generational wealth and to make a lot of money in the stock market. All right, so that's what I have for you today on TRKA Media Group. I believe it will rise, it will soar, and it will eventually make you rich. Once again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, because I could be wrong. Amen. So do your own due diligence. Until next time, hey, keep making money in the stock market.